In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink or remove PayPal from Dubsado. If you've previously connected PayPal to your Dubsado account but no longer want to accept payments through it, you can either temporarily disable it or disconnect it completely. Dubsado gives you both options, allowing you to decide whether you might use PayPal again in the future or remove the connection entirely. Keep in mind that the appearance of the settings may vary slightly depending on updates to Dubsado, but the overall process is generally the same. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the home screen, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open your account settings. Once you're in the settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Payments and Invoices. This section contains all of your payment processing settings. Scroll down until you find the PayPal section. At this point, you have two different options. If you simply want to stop offering PayPal as a payment method while keeping the connection available for later, you can use the toggle switch to turn it off. Once it's disabled, your clients will no longer see PayPal as a payment option on invoices. However, your PayPal account will remain connected, making it easy to enable it again in the future by returning to the same page and turning the toggle back on. If you're certain that you no longer want PayPal connected to your Dubsado account, look for the Disconnect button near the PayPal section and click it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to disconnect your PayPal account. If you're ready to proceed, click the red Disconnect button to confirm. After a few moments, the page will refresh. Once it does, you'll see that PayPal has been removed from your payment processors. If you decide to accept PayPal payments again in the future, you'll need to go through the connection process again before it becomes available on your invoices. As a final note, if your screen looks a little different from what's shown here, that's completely normal. Dubsado occasionally updates its interface, so button locations or labels may change slightly over time. Also, this walkthrough is based on the standard Dubsado settings and interface. I don't personally manage PayPal integrations in a professional production environment, so if your workspace has custom configurations or newer features, you may notice minor differences while following along.